Dr. Gamma, we must meet with Plasma, Lord of the Piano People.
Hello everyone, my name is Shayla Ortega and my name is Noelia. We are both seniors in the Automotive Academy, and today, March 8th, 2025, we're doing our event. It's for senior project, so basically what we're doing is we're doing a car meet and we're doing a car expo, both 2 in 1. Yeah, it's a mini expo showing people that don't know how to do an oil change, tire change, how to remove your spark plugs, and how to understand warning lights as well as checking your fluid level. Hi you guys, we're going to be taking you guys on the tour of our event. So here we have tire change. This is Zoe and this is Sergio. Moving on to oil change. Here we have Aaron working on oil change and teaching you guys. Right on this side we have spark plug change. We have Moises and Brian working here. Now we're going to head to our car meet. Here we have our car meet.
Hello, my name is Sanchez. I'm an officer here at Weber Institute for the Automotive Club. And the purpose of this car meet is to experience all the car cultures here. So there's offer, there's GDM, lowriders, classics, trucks, and Gothic. What we do here mainly is just to bring other people around the community, just have a good time. Hopefully get some students interested in the Automotive Academy here at Weber. That way they can pick up on some skills and also hopefully work at whatever automotive industry they're interested in.